Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Language as Communication. Let's discuss the topic. Communication as basic human need. Communication is a very basic human need and activity. It is what keeps us in contact with the people around us. Without it, we may become isolated and depressed. It is only among humans that we find language being used as the most remarkably easy means of sharing information. We continue our discussion. Communication as integrating process. As Gray and Wise, 1959:1, have aptly remarked, it is through communication that individuals are integrated into societies. It is through communication that the cultures of those societies are perpetuated, are developed. We continue our discussion. Communication as complicated system. How? Let's see. Human beings are different from other animals in that the former have developed a very complicated system to communicate with one another. In this context, the assertion of A.C. Gibson, 1980:1, is worth quoting. What is that? One of the chief characteristics of the human being is his ability to communicate to his fellow human beings complicated messages concerning every aspect of his activity. We continue our discussion about communication as conventional signals. The term language applies to a system of conventional signals which are used for communication by the members of community. The signal used for human communication are chiefly of two different types, spoken or written, arranged in specific patterns. Communication as a spoken form. Bunsell, 1978:1, accords more priority to a spoken form of communication than written form when he states more people speak a language than write it, and written language is only an attempt to represent the spoken language by marks on paper. He continues, in every language community, the spoken form comes first. It can be produced easily by every member of the community and is therefore more suitable than the written form for everyday communication among the members of the community. We move on to the next. Communication as system of codes. Language as communication is viewed as a system of code that connects certain components like the sounds of words, sentence structures, and so on. We move on to the next. Communication as mirror between sender and receiver. Through communication, we can show our perspective, our understanding of the matter, the origin of the nation and our state, our education level, and even our character. To conclude, language as communication becomes a mirror of us, both as a nation and as a self. For communication to be successful, the sender and receiver must share the same code of language. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye. The channel caters to the academic needs of those students who have opted for English language and English literature as their compulsory courses of studies at the graduate and postgraduate levels. The channel also provides valuable teaching resources to university lecturers and professors. Utmost attention is paid to design lessons after extensive studies from diverse authentic sources. If you find the videos valuable, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement is crucial in the manner I conduct research and put forth efforts in preparing the lessons. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Let's achieve academic success together.